Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animal toys, some farm animals and some wild animals. Are you ready, toddlers? Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a deer. This is a deer. D is for deer. This is a gorilla. G is for gorilla. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a dog. D is for dog. This is a rooster. This is a hen. H is for hen. This is a panda. This is a panda. This is a rabbit. This is a camel. This is a donkey. This is a cow. This is hippo. This is a hippo.